So we can say that overall, we're going to the upside right here. There's no clear structure to either consider that we're bullish or bearish. We don't really care about higher time frames at this point. We're really focusing on lower time frames, quick moves. And at this point, we just had, a bullish, strong momentum from last Friday, and then a consolidation on Asian range. Asian range is not trending to the upside, is not trending to the downside, it's just ranging. So that's perfect. That's what we like when we want to trade the manipulation and reversal. In other cases, if it is trending together with some confluences, we can look for continuations. But in this case, yeah, we go to the downside and then we break to the upside. Let's go on lower time frames. Let's go on the 3 minutes. Perfect. We can see that the supply that manipulates the Asian range, so the Asian range gets manipulated right here. Here we don't touch it, of course. Here it doesn't touch. We retrace, then we break it. The supply that manipulates the Asian range is this one. At this point, we manipulate. Here, I wouldn't look for 1 minute confirmations, to be honest. I wouldn't look for this confirmation, to be honest. But at this point, once we break this supply, that's good for me. That's good, and I will start getting interested. At that point, I believe that we were just patient overall. We were just patient, and we went to the upside. We retraced to the downside, and it was a clear demand area, which was being reached. This is the last. Let's go to the 3 minutes. Overall, we can take the last down candles, even this one. I'm not really so focused on, selecting perfectly the candle, but it's more about how the lower time frames are moving. So right here, I could have taken, the last 2 candles to the downside that were also in confluence with these fair value gap or imbalance, whatever you want to call it. And at that point, we start reaching this area. We have the first touch, which gets manipulated, and also there is no clear structure right here in order to actually, try to get involved. After that, after we reach the area, we actually reached around the 50% of the area. What do we have? We have a break and break. Also, if we want more confluence, we have this supply, which was the supply that broke this structure, which was broken, even by a small wick, but it was still broken to the upside. At that point, we're looking for entries, right? We're looking for entries, but we had more options. We had this lower option. Then we had this hidden demand right here. We have hidden demand in this week. At that point, it's all a matter of good confirmation. We took a really, let's not risky, but aggressive entry. We took a really aggressive entry after we had, again, this break and break again. Hidden demand, there is a question of hidden demand. First, let me finish this. And after that, we took the entry. We took the entry, and this was the entry with stop loss just below it. Stop loss was right here. Again, I showed right here. Here we have the automatic copier, just in case anyone. And wait, let me show. Here, perfect. Yeah, that's where we had the stop loss and so on. So stop loss was around right here. Entry, stop loss, take profit. Targeting a 1 to 3. So, of course, could have been better, could have been way more, but it's a good way to start. Monday morning 1 to 3. I usually don't trade Monday morning, and I will not, of course, change my rules because of this. But Stefano is trading, so the members can still have some trades in case we take it. I personally don't trade. That's just my plan. That's how I've been trading for years. So I will not change it. I will just stay off charts Monday morning. Not stay off charts, but not take trades Monday morning. And I will use Monday morning in order to get ready for New York. But Stefano, his plan is different. He was actually on charts. He was looking for trades. He told the members that he was looking for a trade, and he took it. Very aggressive entry, as this was an aggressive confirmation, but with the right confluences. And also, let me see about the volumes. Nice one overall. So, also, the most important thing about this analysis overall, and the reason why we took a bullish continuation targeting this external liquidity, why is it? This is super important. Let's drop a comment in the chat. Why do you think, what is the most important? I'll start the sentence and you need to finish it. I'll drop the beginning of the phrase and you have to finish it. So, we manipulate the Asian range to the downside, then we go to the upside, we have a bullish continuation, and we are looking for an entry here. Which one is the key aspect that actually allowed us to take a bullish continuation and not look for a reversal in order to continue to the downside. There's a key thing, and it is correlated to liquidity, that actually, made us decide, yes, we will trade the continuation. And in other cases, I would never trade the continuation. Why? Why do you think? Write in the chat. Write in the chat. I'm waiting for the chat. Write in the chat why you think we looked for a continuation. Asian liquidity. Yes, you're getting close. You're getting close. It's correlated with Asian liquidity. Yes. Fake change of Carter, not really in this case. Most of the times, fake change of Carter, it is correlated. In this case, no. Liquidity is swept. Yes, liquidity was swept to the downside. But other than that, there is another key aspect that allowed us to take a continuation trading instead of looking for sells. Why do we trade GER30? Stefano trades GER30. I trade GER30 as well, together with all of these other pairs. I just take trades where I see the opportunity. So I get on the charts in the morning. I look at them, and if there is an opportunity, I take it. So it's not about GER30. It's about where the market is giving opportunities. Like, I don't decide, the market decides. So I go over, USD, GBP/USD, Euro GBP, NZD-CAD, GER30, and the one that gives me the opportunity, I take it. That's the whole point. Strong low. I mean, there is a strong low, but that's not really the point. So the reason why I looked for continuation is because we didn't grab Asian range high liquidity yet. So the high of the Asian range was not grabbed yet, and I believe that